Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Brian once again, and today I'm here to talk to you about some fragrances that you can buy with $250 in your pocket. Actually, a bit or slightly less than $250. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So in this list, I'm not going to go over starting from the most expensive to the least expensive, but this is just the list of fragrances you can buy, and all these fragrances have been obtained from fragrancenet.com. And once again, this is not a sponsored video. I bought these fragrances with my own money, and here goes. Number one on the list is the fragrance called La Aventure from the house of Al Hermain. It's supposed to be a clone of the famed Creed Aventus, and this is a tester bottle that I got. And personally, I have not tested this fragrance yet. I just got this today, and I just want to share with you guys, you fragrance lovers, so that you know, like, if you have $250 and what you can get with that money. And this one, La Aventure, comes at a cost of $28.59. Next up is also a pretty well-known brand. It's from the house of Mont Blanc, and the fragrance is Individuel. So this fragrance is oftentimes compared to the Creed Santal. But just so you know, this fragrance came out, or it was released before the Creed Santal was released. And this is pretty long lasting. I have tested it. I had a tester bottle of that. I tested it. It's nice. It's synthetic, but the thing is, best part is it's really long lasting. And Mont Blanc Individual comes at a cost of $23.39 only. Next up on number 3 is from the house of Sean John, and the fragrance is 3 a.m. It's pretty popular, and a bottle of 100 ml is gonna cost you $21.44. This is kind of like your oriental woody kind of fragrance, so you know, like it's a more of something you can wear in the office or maybe casually, but not for like the dress down kind of situation. Coming up next on number 4 is from the house of Versace. It's the Dylan Blue. This one is a masterpiece. You cannot go wrong with this one. It's you could also call it a blue fragrance, not cause it's a blue box or a blue bottle, but the reason is, this is more, sorry about the box because it got destroyed in the process of this shipment. And the reason we call it a blue fragrance is because you can use it or wear it in any kind of occasion. You could dress it down, dress it up, casual, office. It's a head turner, it's a compliment getter, it's a compliment beast. And this is more of like a citrusy and a kind of heavy. It's got a real kind of character to this fragrance, and this is very good. It's very potent, it's very good. And potent, it's by potent I mean it's not bad, it's really good. And for summertime, perfect. Fall, you know, towards the end of fall or in the mid fall, this is gonna perform like a beast. On my skin, this one goes like around 7 to 8 hours, easy. All right, and this one comes at a cost of $48.74. So on number 5, we have the famous Versace Eros. Take a look. The famous Versace Eros, and a bottle of 100 ml is gonna cost you $51.99. This is your go-to scent or fragrance for the party boy. You go to a club, you go hang out with the guys, you go out for a date with a girl or somewhere in the club, this is the fragrance you wanna get. And on number 6 spot, we have something from the house of Dolce & Gabbana, and this is known as Dolce & Gabbana exclusive edition, also known as Royal Night, and it's a variation of the fragrance the one, whatever you call it. And this is an exclusive edition. This was supposed to be a Dubai exclusive only, and previously when it was released, it was not available in the United States. But recent times, a couple of years ago, I guess maybe 2 years ago or maybe a year ago, this became available in the United States at fragrancenet.com. So I got my hands on this bottle. I tested this like a sample for. I really loved it. It's got the wood and absent the tobacco. So you know, like the tobacco note is not there, the sweetness of tobacco is not there, but this has got like a fresh oriental kind of fragrance and woody base with oud, and this is supposed to be like really good. I tested this thing personally. I really liked it, so I purchased a bottle of this. Royal Night comes at a cost of $74.09. And if I got my math correct, this whole list of 6 fragrances comes down to $248.24 with $1.76 in change. So that's it, guys. If you're a beginner, if you're starting out your fragrance journey in 2020, this 6 fragrances could be like a really good starting point. If you don't know what you gotta buy, or what to do with $250 in your pocket, where to start, there's no need to go and buy full retail price on these fragrances. Go to online retailers. I mean, they have very good collection, extremely good prices. And just so you know, these prices do change. Like as of today, of making this video, this was the price with the discount code. So if you're interested to buy any one of these, you can blind buy them. These are really good. You will like them, and you will get lots of compliment with these fragrances. So thank you guys for watching. This is Brian once again. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.